Today, students, let's understand the networking architecture. Network architecture is an overall design of a computer network that describes how a computer network is configured and what strategies are being used in it. Network architecture are mainly of the following two types: network architecture, client-server network, peer-to-peer network. Client-server network. It is a network where several computers called clients or workstations are connected to the main computer called the server. A server is a computer that provides services to clients and controls access to hardware, software, and other resources. Clients are the computers which request services like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. Peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer is a network where a few computers having equal capacity and capabilities are connected together to use the resources available on the network. In peer-to-peer network, there is no central server. Instead, each computer can act as a server as well as a client. Students, let's discuss on network topologies. Network topology refers to the layout in which various components of a network like nodes, links, peripherals, etc. are connected and communicated with each other. Topology can either be physical or logical. Physical topology is the physical layout of nodes, workstations and cables in the network, whereas logical topology is the way how information flows between different components. Network topologies are categorized into the following basic types. Point-to-point. Point-to-point topology is the simplest form of network structure in which two nodes are directly connected to each other. This type of network is most suitable for small areas where computers are in close proximity. This technology provides a faster and reliable connection. Bus topology. This topology uses single communication line or one main cable to which all nodes are directly connected. The main cable acts as a backbone for the network. It transmits data only in one direction. In this type of structure, one of the computers in the network acts as a computer server that provides data to all the clients. This topology is used in small networks where cable requirement is relatively small. One of the disadvantages of such types of network is that if the main cable fails, the entire network becomes unstable. For this reason, this type of topology is not used for large networks, such as those covering an entire building. Star topology. In star topology, each device is connected to a central computer using a point-to-point connection. The central server acts as a hub. Devices communicate across the network by passing data through this hub. Star topology is very popular because the startup cost is low. It is easy to add a new device to the network as only one cable is required and configuration is simple. Moreover, the network is robust. If any one connection in the network fails, the other connections remain intact. But if the central hub fails, the entire network goes down. Ring topology. In ring topology, all the nodes in a network are connected in a circular manner. Each node connects to exactly two other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for signals. When one node sends message to the other node, which is not adjacent to it, data travels through all the intermediate nodes until it reaches its final destination. Ring topologies are used in both LAN and WAN setups. The main disadvantages of this topology is that if one workstation goes down, the entire network gets affected. Since data being transferred over the network has to pass through each workstation, this makes it slower than star topology. Tree topology. Tree topology is one of the most common network setups that consists of a group of star-figured workstations connected to a linear bus backbone cable. In tree topology, one star network is connected to the other star networks. In a tree network, a cable failure in one of the star network will isolate only the workstation that is linked to the central computer of that star network, whereas all other workstations will continue to function normally. If a central computer goes down, the entire workstations connected to it will suffer either degraded performance or complete failure. Rest of the network will continue to function normally. In case the bus gets damaged, it causes disruption in the entire network. In the tree topology, the expansion of network is possible and easy, but maintenance becomes difficult. Mesh topology. In mesh network topology, each node is connected to every other node in the network. In this topology, every node not only sends its own signals but also relays data from other nodes. This type of topology can handle a large volume of traffic. It is commonly used in wireless networks. In case if one of the components fails, there is always an alternative present so that the data transfer does not get affected. Even expansion and modifications can be done in this topology without affecting other nodes. The overall cost of this network is extremely high as compared to the other network topologies. Students, let's know more. Protocols are the certain sets of rules that determine how data should be transferred over networks, compressed, presented on the screen, and so on. Students, let me explain you that how to access a file from a shared drive. To access a file from a shared drive, follow the given steps. Double-click on the network icon on the desktop. The network window will appear, in which a list of shared drives are displayed in the Details pane. Select the required shared drive to see its contents. Find the required file in the drive. If you want to open the file, double-click on it. To copy the file, right-click on it and select the copy option from the shortcut menu. In the View pane, select this PC icon to view the storage drives on your computer. Now click on the drive where you want to place the copied file. Right-click anywhere on the Details pane and select the Paste option. The file will be copied to the selected drive on your computer. Alright students, let's talk about network security. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect in computer networking. Since many users are accessing the same data, so we must ensure its proper security. Only authorized persons can access or modify data. Consider the following points that may happen in any organization. Some employees may try to change the data concerning their leave records, salaries, performance appraisals, etc. Accidental deletion of important data. Former employees or some other people may try to harm the company's data. People outside the company may try to access confidential data. There are two general levels of network security. These are login security. You are given a unique login name and password. Right security. Based upon your username, you are given rights like read-only access or read-write access or no access at all. A combination of rights can also be granted to the same user for different sets of data.